My price to cry down funeral is $40,000. And I charge $45,000 to drop in a grave. You know that Susie and Thomas shouldn't get married calling and we'll crash the wedding food. Just when you walk in with the pastor, there's anyone who would like to say something, say it now or forever, all the people walk in and talk. I'll crash every wedding. Funeral now, I cry at funeral, really cry. My price to cry at funeral is $40,000. And I charge $45,000 to drop in a grave. My price to cry at funeral is $40,000. And I charge $45,000 to drop in a grave. Yes, you make it look good, man. You make it look good. Ball out, man. Imagine. I went to a funeral in New York, in Miami, in New York to come to a funeral, but in a New York, they have different funeral places. So they say them people to come to the funeral, but a week late, and we end up in one funeral in the bar, you know. I walk over the casket and I say, what? The hours we are on. Then everybody at the funeral home just start looking on the street and say, how is this person, why they cry like that? I want to go over and come up and say to me, sir, are you sure you're in the right place? We say, yes. And Devon, why, Devon, why? Take me. The girl said, no, it's not Devon. It's my aunt Caitlin. Oops. I'm in the wrong room. You see, each time you come out of next door, the funeral card, they go inside a long time. So you have to be careful. And sometimes, I never know which one they go. I don't know which one they go. But we get a call from earlier. And I don't know the bride of the groom. To be honest, I don't know them. But I get a call from the best man. Are you the best man? How are you? I don't even know it. They are really great money. The greatest man. How are you doing, John? Oh! I'm listening to that. Jerome in the eyes. Jerome. And Jerome called and Jerome said, you have to call me, the family wedding card. They don't know who. And they want an MC and he really can't. Come spice up the wedding and the wedding feel good and we laugh. The church part of the wedding boring. I will sit down this a long time to feel and say, I do. Yes, the part I want to remember for a long time. Sweetheart, little girl, school girl in a uniform. That too much. Come let's sit down and understand what it is. What we know? Me worry so me now get no little category and heavy. You see, don't come here talk too much. I don't know he can get me wait till last. He not working out with them. I will probably go and get my food man. He don't make no sense. He don't allow me to say. Go secure for me.